First of all, I like to give glory to God for all He is doing for us in our lives. And without Him, this would not be possible.
Hi, my name is Simona, and I will be talking to you about what we've learned in level 1 of CBI. And CBI has a meaning, 2 meanings, and those are Come Be Inspired and Community Business Incubator. And what I've learned in level 1 is how to code and how to command your your game to do stuff. Like if you're gonna have people, if you're gonna have like a person in the game in the first level, you what you are doing, you're gonna be telling the person what to do.
Hi, my name is Jara. What I learned in CBI is that there's a lot of setups and you, you create a lot of games and everything. And what CBI can do for my life is to help me get a lot of scholarships to go to college.
My name is Nadia Taylor, and what I learned from CBI is that just from one simple game on the internet is that everything matters and everything has to be exact when it comes to coding. And it's important to me because it's going to help my career in what I want to do in the future.
Where's mine? Oh yeah, right.
Okay, where?
Hello, my name is Destiny, and what I learned from CBI is that when you do the first level of CBI, it tells you the basics, what you need to do, like the text, the keys, and like everything you should learn how to do. And it got me to learn about how it made me learn new things about the computer that I didn't learn before. And like when you're on level 2, it shows you that they show you the basics of how to go through walls and like to create your own characters and through that. And then when you go into your third one, it shows you how to move them, to make them run through stuff and like hop and swim and stuff like that. So I kind of learned how to do all the basics, and then to do through that was pretty fun to learn each one of like how can you do it and how would you do it. And that was like pretty fun to learn. And then learn how to make your own gaming with your own apps is pretty cool too.
Hello, my name is Ife Babatunde Brilliant Newsome, and I'm here to tell you about CBI. What I've learned I went through 2 sections. I'm currently in my 3rd right now. I've learned many things, including the structure of code, the structure of what creates the software that you use, the difference between a key and a text, how you put them together to make things happen in this coded digital world.
Hi, my name is Shawnee Edwards, and I am part of the CBI class. What I have learned in CBI is really helpful for my dream job to become a game creator and designer. Like, I learned how to put box colliders so characters won't be able to go through walls. I learned how to animate statues to make them move. I learned how to put lighting so the character can see in the game. And I learned how to add terrain and put mountains and hills, grass, mostly designing and also animation. So CBI has been really helpful for me because, like I said, I want to be a game creator and designer, and this is what this program's really helping me with that. Thank you.
Okay, the sprites and the label and the actual gameplay itself. Okay, all right. So the gist of it is the sprites in the game are going to be like counters, right? There's only so many times the player can get killed. And we're giving them 3. That's why you see 3 hearts. So when he gets killed, it loses 1 heart. 1 heart drops off. If it's killed twice, then another heart drops off, and the 3rd time in the game is over, type of a thing. Okay, and then the score label is going to handle exactly the score. So when you're playing with the game, right, and you're moving the little spaceship around and you're shooting the asteroids, every time you break up an asteroid with a rocket or a bullet, right, you get score, okay? So that score has to be interpreted and translated to the screen, and that's how it's handled here.
I'm currently in the middle of developing my own mobile application and working on some other ones with some of my peers. And here at CBI, this is what you learn. You'll be able to see what it is, go over what is code. And then beyond that, they'll take you and they'll teach you how to use the code. So you can find out if you're interested in the beginning, and if if your interest sticks, then pretty much you're on for a good ride, great education, and you will get to where you're trying to go.
Understand that the youth in the inner city are not invisible. We have skills that we can share with them.
If we can change an individual life, we can absolutely change the community.
The same cancer that was bred into the community that we live in can be bred out by helping and assisting one child at a time.
CBI and Y.B.M.A.D.
I love it, and what it means to me is there's not a lot of women in the world that knows how to code, and I want to be the first one that knows that does the best coding in the world.